Houston Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. There has been a lot of crew changes on board the orbiting laboratory this week. The 4 crew members of the Crew 2 mission are back on Earth today after their departure from the space station on Monday. After 199 days in orbit, NASA astronauts Shane Kimbrough and Megan McArthur, JAXA astronaut Aki Hoshide, and ESA astronaut Thomas Pesquet said their goodbyes to their fellow crewmates on the orbiting outpost before closing the hatch of Endeavour, their Crew Dragon spacecraft. After donning their spacesuits and buckling up, the spacecraft undocked from the International Space Station to begin the 8-hour return trip home. The crew's journey included a fly-around maneuver to photograph the exterior of the orbiting laboratory and concluded with a water landing. Recovery ships were on hand to retrieve the crew and the capsule from the targeted landing zone in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Florida immediately after landing, bringing the Crew 2 mission to a close. While aboard the orbiting laboratory for more than 6 months, the Crew 2 crew members contributed to hundreds of scientific investigations and technology demonstrations, providing valuable scientific research that will help to prepare humans for future space exploration missions, while also generating numerous innovations and benefits for humanity here on Earth. To learn more about Crew 2's involvement in advanced research while in space, head over to nasa.gov.
Space to Ground.
Living up to its name, Endurance, NASA's SpaceX Crew 3 mission had endured several delays before its successful launch. The Crew 3 mission is the 3rd long-duration mission to the ISS with a Crew Dragon capsule named Endurance. Launched from Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, the Endurance carried NASA astronauts Raja Chari, Tom Marshburn, and Caleb Barron, as well as ESA astronaut Matthias Maurer. After a high-speed orbital chase, Crew 3 reached the orbiting laboratory and docked to their new home in low Earth orbit for the next few months. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.